In this video, we make this photo black and white with 4 methods. The first method. Select black and white from the image, adjustment menu, or use the shortcut keys Alt-Shift-Control-B. Enter custom settings or use Photoshop presets. In this method, changes are applied to the photo layer. The second method. From the bottom of the Layers menu, select New Adjustment Layer Black and White. Enter custom settings or use Photoshop presets. You can adjust the brightness and darkness by dragging the mouse anywhere to the right and left. These changes are applied to a new layer that can be removed with a simple click. The third method. Select the Sponge tool. Select Desaturate mode. Increase the size of the brush and click on all parts of the photo. In this method, changes are applied to the photo layer, and these changes can be reversed with the History brush tool. The fourth method. Go to the Adjustments menu and use Adjustments presets. In this method, changes are applied to several new layers, and can be deleted with a simple click.
Subscribe for more tutorial.